A lot of people are having trouble with Google Classroom and being added to too many classes, and when you're added to too many classes as a teacher, you're getting a lot of notifications. Here's how you can turn some of those off. Go into Classroom where all of your classes are, go to the top left corner. We're going to click on those three lines. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says Settings. We're going to click Settings, and then here is where you can start toggling on and off different notifications that you would like. And more specifically, if you go all the way to the bottom, the arrow that is down there, you can turn certain classes on or off. And that way you will either receive or, more specifically, not receive those notifications.